Oh, hey guys. So I didn't know if it was recording or not. I'm opening some Rebels Clash Sword and Shield. I guess I already opened my first pack, and this is what I got. Yeah, I don't know what's in this set. All I know is that I got a big charm from it, and yeah. So this is my second pack. I really don't know what I'm opening or getting myself into. I don't even know if there's a chase card in this set. Um, but yeah, let's get to it. I think this set is pretty um underwhelming. Palo Sand, Training Court, Lampit, Phantom, Sir Farfetch. No, that's not Sir Farfetch. That's Galarian Farfetch. Scovet, Mr. Mime, Galarian, Caterpie, Ludicolo, and a Butterfree. Yeah, I don't even know. Does anyone play any cards from this set? Is this set competitive? I feel like this is like the Steam Siege of Sword and Shield. Not saying Steam Siege was bad, but I feel like Steam Siege is better than this set. I don't know what this set has that makes it horrible. Whatever. Because honestly, I think this set has nothing going for it. Shuckle, Dan, Fankins, Full Baby, Glaring Corsola, Toxel, Mr. Mime, Snover. That's a good looking Luxio art. And Arcanine. Yeah, what? I know there's a Ninetales in this set, I think. If I remember correctly. I know you get the Galarian starters in here. I don't know. I feel like Rebels Clash should have been like first and then Sword and Shield second. Because, yeah, why are the starters in this set? Kershavel, Falcons, Polito, Snover, Barnacle, Binnacle, sorry, Darmaka, Vulpix, Milcery, Hepatite, Heliopite, and Malamar VMAX. Whoa, that's cool. Honestly, I didn't even know that card was in there either. They had the Malamars in this set. You know what I want? I want a full art. Let's see if I can get a full art in this. I think Scorch and Battleland are in here. I mean, I already have them in like regular shiny form. But let's see if we can get a full art. Metapod, Tool Scrap, Dan, Impidimp, Magmar. That's a good looking Magmar. Electabuzz, whoa, back to back. Scovert, Scowit, Scowit, no. Squovet, Snover, Magmar Reverse, and a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Yo, that Magmar art looking nice. I mean, this set has some nice. Oh, there's our second Rillaboom. We have Water Energy, Masquerade, Doublade, Capture Energy, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, Litwick, Shinx. No, was that? Yeah, Litwick. Roly Coly. I thought that was a reverse. Electrode and a Storejourner. Hollow. Yo, he looks like a Minecraft, like Iron Golem. It's like, yeah, I'm frolicking. The guy's like running, walking. Bruh, that guy legit looked like a Minecraft character. All right, let's get into the next one, mate. Let's see what we get in here. We have Darkness Energy, Shuckle, hey, that good looking Luxio art. Durant, Wingull, Natu, Barboach, Squovate, Applin, Darmaka Galarian, and Diggersby, non-hollow. We got Diggersby. Okay. I'm probably gonna open all my Rebels Clash product because yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this set. Metal Energy, Burning Scarf, Indini, Skyla. She should have been in this set. Applin, Galarian Darumaka, Bumbley, Vulpix, Phantom, Galarian Darmanitan Reverse, and Mandabuzz, sorry. Not Mandabiz. I don't know, I feel like the cards that are in Shining Fates should have been in this set. Like Skyla, I feel like that would have made this set more desirable or something. Because I know Champion's Path has nothing of value in there except that Charizard and Rainbow Charizard, but I think the shiny Charizard is worth more. Turner Field Stadium, Charcoal, Phantom, well, Dreeply, Galarian Farfetch'd, Honedge, Tynopole, Beware, Grimmsnarl Hollow. Yo, you're looking pretty nice, honestly. That's a good looking hollow. Oh yeah, Grimmsnarl's in this? No, he's in Darkness Ablaze. Like VMAX and V. Oh man, I was about to get hyped. I was like, oh. Electric Energy, Chatot, Dracloak, Lampent, Magikarp, Meditate, Milk Carry, Growlithe. Oh, that's a good looking Growlithe Harf. Impidimp, Wingull, and Appleton Hollow. Appleton. Dang, I have so many of this card in those blisters, like hollow blister packs you get. I think that was Vivid Voltage. Fighting Energy, Doublade, Counter Energy, Charger Bug, Phantom, Dreepy, Galarian Farfetch, Honedge, Tynopole, Galarian Mr. Rhyme Reverse, and a Vigavolt Hollow. I think I've seen that hollow too. I can't put my finger on it. See, let's open this. Yo, I haven't seen Pidove in like a while. Politoed. No, Paplitoad. Dang. Scoop Up Net. Chatot. Pidove. Haven't seen you in a while. Galarian Darumaka. Hatina. Scyther. This is paying homage to like the Hard Gold and Soul Silver Scyther. Nose Pass. Lotad. Wishcash. Yeah, because that Scyther art is reminiscent of I think it's a reused, remade art. I think it's a Celestial Storm too. And Heart Gold and Soul Silver. I think. But it is an old homage. I guess they try to make a new version of it. Fire Energy. Charcoal. Hatrin. Pokeball. Galarian Corsola. Binnacle. Scyther again. Let's go. Volbaby. Drippy. Coughing Reverse. And we have Pheasant. Hollow. I mean, not hollow. No, just not hollow. Only one V card off this Rebels Clash. I'm thinking, did someone really buy this and scalp Rebels Clash? That's something that's pondering my mind right now. Did someone really say, yeah, I'm going to scalp Rebels Clash. I'm going to try to resell it. Doublade, Lombre, Hadron, Lotad, Clefairy, Voltorb, Growlithe, GP, Full Heal, and we have Toxtricity non-hollow. I wish I should have made him a hollow too. like the blue counterpart. I think I'm missing that card in shiny form. Let me lower this down a bit. Sorry. Water energy. Hey, Skyla. The waifu A. That good Luxio art. Dracloak. Wingull. Natu. Barboach. Squovit. Applin. Litwick Reverse. Now Creamy. Non-hollow. Wait, is Salamence in this set or Darkness Ablaze? I want that Salamence. I think that's a good looking card. But I need to remember correctly. I don't think he's in here. I gotta look at the card list, man, because I keep second guessing myself, thinking there's cards in here that I might like to get, but I keep remembering if it's in another set or not. Fighting Energy, Pelipper, Bronzong, Nugget, Brinnacle, Galarian Darmaka, Vulpix. It's a good looking Vulpix art. Milcray, Galarian Farfetch, Hitina Reverse, and we have Inteleon V from the Inteleon V battle deck. If you didn't notice, the VMAX and this card are in the Inteleon battle deck. Fun fact. I have like, I think 3 now of Inteleon V. We have Fire Energy, Vankins, Politoed, Capture Energy. No, I call them Politoed. Applin, Hitina, Aracuda, Galarian Meowth. Yo, that looks nice. Sunskirt, Sigilyph, and a Zacian non-hollow. Why is Zacian in here? What? Should be like a hollow. He's actually in this set. I didn't even know that. Crazy. So wait, Zamazenta's in here too then. Okay, we got 1 pack left. Tricola, Reware, Skyla, Milcree, Growlithe, Impidimp, Bumbly, Phantom, Conspicuous Bucket, and Amanda Buzz. So, last pack. Well, I don't believe in last pack magic. I'll be honest with you. Darkness Energy, Heatmore, Xatu, Tranquil, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Phantom, Bronzor, Galarian Farfetch, and a Galarian Darmanitan. Yep, and that's it for our Rebels Clash sleeve blisters. All we got was 1 V card, Vigavolt Hollow, Appleton Hollow, Grimmsnarl Hollow, Storejourner Hollow, and the Malamar VMAX. That is all we got. I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, I have this hollow, like 17 of him. I already got him in the battle deck. So yeah, I mean, not bad, but oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.